Hello everyone, this is my review of the YETI Rambler 20-ounce tumbler. This tumbler is vacuum insulated and stainless steel. It has a good cap on it to seal the water from leaking out. You can just switch this back and forth to access the water for drinking, and you can see the seal here. It does a pretty good tight seal. The water doesn't leak out or spill or splash. So it's pretty good. I'm gonna fill up with water a little bit so you can see it. Okay, I got some water in here, and you can see you can let it come out and drink there, but you see the water didn't leak out the sides or anything, so that's pretty good. There's some nice ice water in there. It keeps it cold. So I highly recommend this product, and I hope that this review helps.